Hello, my name is Miss Taylor, and I'm a St. Tammany Parish Public School math and science teacher. I'm so glad you could join me. In this lesson, you will learn about volume. You will learn what it is, the units used, and how to calculate it. The materials that you will need for this lesson are a pencil, a piece of paper, any box that you can find in your house, and something to measure with, whether that is a measuring tape or a ruler. First, let's start by talking about what volume is. Volume is a quantity that all three-dimensional objects have. It is the measurement of the space that a three-dimensional object occupies. Before we learn how to calculate volume, let's first look at a one-dimensional object. A one-dimensional object is a line. The measurement of the space that a line occupies is called its length. This line has a length of 1 centimeter, so it occupies 1 centimeter of space. Next, let's look at a two-dimensional object. An example of a two-dimensional object is a square. This square has a length of 1 centimeter and a width of 1 centimeter. The measurement of the amount of space that a two-dimensional object occupies is called the area. To calculate the area, we multiply the length times the width. So the area of this square is 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter, which equals 1 centimeter squared. Square units are found when you multiply two one-dimensional units together. So centimeter times centimeter equals centimeter squared, and we show this with a power of 2. Lastly, let's look at a three-dimensional object. An example of a three-dimensional object is a cube. My cube has a length of 1 centimeter, a width of 1 centimeter, and a height of 1 centimeter. To find the measurement of the amount of space that this cube takes up, we find the volume. The formula for volume is length times width times height. The length of my square is 1 centimeter, the width of my square is 1 centimeter, and the height of my square is 1 centimeter. So the volume of my square equals 1 centimeter cubed. Cubic units are found when you multiply three one-dimensional units together. So centimeters times centimeters times centimeters is centimeters cubed. And we show this as the power of 3. So now let's find the volume of this oatmeal box. Let's find out how much space this oatmeal box takes up in my pantry by calculating its volume. So first, I'm going to find the length of my box. I'm going to measure the length of my box with the measuring tape. I need to decide whether I'm going to use centimeters or inches, and that unit needs to be consistent for the length, the width, and the height of my box. I'm going to choose to use centimeters. So I'm going to measure the length of my box. In centimeters, it is 12 centimeters long. So I'm going to record that on my paper. The length equals 12 centimeters. Next, I'm going to measure the width of my box in centimeters. So the width of my box is 6 centimeters. So I'm going to record that measurement on my paper. Width equals 6 centimeters. Lastly, I'm going to measure the height of my box. So I'm going to take my measuring tape, and I'm going to measure the height. This is the height of my box. I'm going to go from the bottom to the top. And it is 20 centimeters tall. The height of my box is 20 centimeters. So remember, to find volume, we multiply the length times the width times the height. So the length of my box is 12 centimeters. The width of my box is 6 centimeters, and the height of my box is 20 centimeters. When I multiply all three of these units together, I get 1,440 centimeters cubed. So the volume of my box is 1,440 centimeters cubed. Now I challenge you to go find a box in your pantry and see how much space it takes up by calculating its volume. Thank you for watching as we learned about volume. You did a great job. Remember to keep watching videos like this one so we can all keep learning together. You can watch lessons daily on STPPS TV or on our website at stpsb.org. See you again soon.